Smile.
Say again, I got my mouth full. I got my mouth full.
Good stuff. Good stuff. And he had 3 grandparents picking him up
Wow.
from Janet's.
Was there even room in the car for baby?
Yeah, there was. In the trunk. In the trunk.
Were you the first one to leave? Were there other babies there?
There was another baby there, and there was a pregnant mom there. Lindsay said that was Carter. Was that Carter's mom?
Carter's.
Yeah. She looks like she's due pretty soon. You are a busy boy. Are you busy? Yep. Are you busy?
Just a little bit of a nap.
All right, you had to say, hi, Mommy, I miss you. Say bye-bye. Say hi. Say, quack, 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 quack.
What did the birdies say when we were on the walk?